Hello everyone, so today I'm at Torside Reservoir. It's one of the Longdendale chain of reservoirs that was built in the 19th century by Manchester Corporation. So today I'm going to be going up Bleaklow, and it can live up to its name at times. It's a beautiful place, but it can be quite desolate. Hopefully on a day like today it's going to be really nice. I'm just going to cross over the reservoir dam a little lower down and head up Torside Clough. So join me for this video up on Bleaklow. So I'm now at Woodhead Reservoir. I had to come a little bit further down the valley because there's some work on Torside Reservoir down by United Utilities. So just go across this and head then up Bleaklow. So I'm here at Bleaklow Head, right at the top of Bleaklow. It's really nice up here, and I'm just going to start to head down near Bleaklow, and that'll take me to the top of the Woodhead Tunnels, and then I can walk back down the Transpennine Trail as well.